Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to enable iPhone 14 dynamic island on your Google Pixel devices. Open the Play Store app on your Google Pixel device and search the Edge Mask app on your device. Make sure install Edge Mask app on your device. After install, tap on install. When complete the install, open the Edge Mask app on your Pixel device. Wait until complete the process. Tap on continue to app Edge Mask. Here make sure allow. Here at the top you can see apps that can appear on top. Tap on it. Make sure allow display over other apps on Edge Mask. Tap on Edge Mask. Toggle on it on your picture. Go back. Again tap on a notification access at top. Tap on Edge Mask, toggle on it, allow. Now go back again. Again tap on accessibility. Tap on Edge Mask, toggle on, allow. Now go back. Make sure here you can see require permission set as OK in your device. Now set message or effect in your device under effects section. Tap on messages. Here you can see different island style on your device for your picture. Set style you want to use, but here you can enable Samsung message style like iPhone 14a style. Also enable Apple message style iOS 15. Make sure enable Samsung message style on your Google Pixel device. Now scroll down. Go back. Tap on effect. Here you can set effect. Punch hole lightning effect. Here you can see lightning effect at top right. Also enable edge lighting on your Google Pixel if you want. Scroll. Go back. Tap on messages again. You can also customize Samsung message style. Tap on icon. Now here you can see background. Set background color you want to set. Here we set background color as a black. Tap on a message color. Here we set message color as a white. You can see the dynamic island at top. You can also set duration for dynamic island you want to set. Also change the size of a dynamic island on your pixel you want to set in your device. Also enable margin in your device. Set margin you want to view on your pixel device. Go back. It's quite easy to enable dynamic island on your pixel device. Now when you get message or any notification, you can see dynamic island picture on your device. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.